Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today I want to review this high furry 6-foot inflatable Christmas tree. This cute little tree has built-in LED lighting, includes a cute little Santa Claus at the top of your tree, as well as 3 presents at the base. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box and I'll show you guys what it looks like. We'll get it blowing up and test it out. So here you have your inflatable tree with Santa on top. It'll include your set of instructions and how to properly stake it down. Also included is some rope and 4 stakes to secure your inflatable down if you're going to be installing this outdoors. Because the last thing you want is for this to blow away on those windy days. Let's go ahead and get this inflated and then I'll show you the details of it. Alright, so the first step, once you get your inflatable out of the box, just want to lay it out. Find the power cord for it. Have that towards the back side and towards your outlet. Locate the end with the zipper on it. And this will be used later on when you want to deflate your ornament. You just unzip it and that'll help let all the air out a little bit quicker. Make sure before you start it up that you zipper that shut. And finally just plug it into an outlet. This should take less than 60 seconds to fully inflate. So you can see the colorful lights inside of it. We'll just give it a little help to stand up. There's a sandbag located on the bottom of it for indoor use. And here it is fully inflated, under a minute. This can be used indoors or outdoors. It does include a sandbag located at the base for indoor use, so it'll keep it standing upright. Really nice colorful lights at the base. It includes 3 presents. The tree, and a cute little Santa that's sitting at the top, and he is lit up as well. This material is made of a thick, waterproof polyester material suitable for indoors or outdoor uses. You can attach your ropes and stakes to these sections here and then stake your inflatable down to the ground so it's more secure and stable in windier conditions. There's one located on both sides. There's also another location down at the base for securing it with a stake. And it uses a powerful fan, and if you can hear, it's really quiet. So if you do keep your inflatable indoors, the noise level is very low and it will not disturb anybody. And the base of the tree has 2 built-in sandbags for use indoors or outdoors. Your kids are gonna love this inflatable. This adds to any outdoor Christmas decoration. When you're ready to deflate your ornament, Just simply unplug it from the wall. And it'll self-deflate. If you want to deflate a little bit quicker, locate the zipper on the back. And that'll allow more air to flow out quicker so that you can deflate your ornament. Then all you need to do is just press down till all the air is out. And you can roll it up. And it's ready to be stowed away until next holiday season. It's that simple. Under 1 minute to inflate and about a minute to deflate. It's one of the quickest, most simple Christmas decorations that you're going to set up this year. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday season. This cute and colorful 6-foot Christmas tree makes a great addition to all your Christmas decor. If you guys are interested in checking out this product, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.